Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a very exciting video. I just got my hands on the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch Pressed Brightening and Setting Powder. I got two colors. I got the Cherry Blossom, of course, and I got Pound Cake. I didn't get my usual banana bread because online the shade just looked so weird for some reason. So instead I got Pound Cake, and I also have the loose powders here with me to try with you guys. I'm honestly so excited about this pressed powder. I love Huda Beauty powders and I'm just ready for it to snatch my face. So each one of these is $38, and I did buy this with my own money, by the way. And this is a pressed powder formula, natural finish, hyaluronic acid. It's fragrance free. It's a medium coverage and cruelty free. A creamy, hydrating, non-comedogenic pressed powder designed for targeting, brightening, lifting, and setting for medium coverage and natural finish. So what I did notice that the first ingredient on this is mica, which does tend to have a little bit more of a brightening effect, more luminous effect to it. So what I want to see is, will these two powders be the same or are they different? I believe they both have like different claims to them. So let me go ahead and unbox Cherry Blossom. Here is the actual packaging. And here is Cherry Blossom. Got a nice little pinky tone. And if you flip this up, it does come with a little powder puff right here, which is easy to touch up. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. Cherry Blossom. I don't know if you can see the color swatch on that. Let me do a little bit more. I do feel like it's a little bit hard pressed, like it says. And then here is Cherry Blossom in the loose version, a little bit more finely milled. And there is Cherry Blossom right there in loose form. I do feel like the Cherry Blossom in the loose powder is a little bit less pigmented than the pressed powder. So let's go ahead, and I do feel like the texture or the fineness of it is different. So you guys can see like the full effect of this. I'm gonna go ahead and lightly tap away any creases I have under my eyes. One thing I do love about the loose powder is that it is very blurring and smoothing. That's what I love about it. So on this side, I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender Puff. And I'm going to go in with the pressed Cherry Blossom. And it does have like the engraving on it too. It says Easy Bake. I'm going to press that in. Okay, that definitely brightened up my under eye, and you can kind of tell that there is a tinge of pink right there. It is pretty brightening, can't deny that. Very beautiful. I do see a little bit of that sheen coming through, but nothing too crazy. Very beautiful. I feel like this product is really good for like on the go. Now I'm gonna go in with my loose powder. I am using a different sponge for this, and I'm using a powder puff, being into the Cherry Blossom loose version. And I am gonna use this mirror. This mirror is actually really nice and the compact. And the pressed formula does not have any fragrance to it, unlike the loose. Now you do get a little bit more product with the loose powder, but as you can tell, you can still use quite a bit of product when you use it. As you can tell, this really took the shine away from it. which this is one of the reasons why I love this powder, is just because it's so forgiving on oily skin, and this makes your makeup last all day. Now that I have this baking, I'm gonna go ahead and use pound cake to really chisel out this area. And like I said before, I didn't grab banana bread just because online it looked super dark. I'm gonna go ahead and chisel this area. You see what I mean by pigment? This has insane pigment. That definitely cut my cheekbone real good. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the loose version. This is banana bread. Going in with a different powder puff, and same thing. I'm going to go ahead and chisel this area. I don't know if you can tell, you see the difference between these both sides? One is a little bit more brightening than the other. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep this off. And you can definitely tell this side's a little brighter than this side, and please ignore my nails. I did have 3 fall off. You can definitely tell there's a difference, and you can tell that this side there is a bit of a pink tinge to it, but nothing like super crazy. And then this side, there's just this really nice smoothness to this side. I definitely feel like the pressed version definitely emphasizes a little bit of pores that I have going on right here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, now that you guys have a better look, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Here is the pressed, and here is the loose. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys out. Overall, I feel like this is a very, very neat product, and Huda makes one of the best powders ever. I do really love this concept. I do feel like this is something you can just toss in your purse and use this as like a backup powder to refresh your powder if you get oily. The thing with this is that with the loose version, you really don't have to do that because it bakes so well and controls oil so well that honestly, you don't need to carry an extra product with you if that's something you don't like to do. It's very nice and beautiful. I do like it. I do see myself using this once in a while. I do want to try the whole, because I'm notorious for doing pressed powder and then loose powder for double baking. I love doing that just because I feel like it secures my makeup a lot more. This is a very, very nice product, but I do feel like if you have more of a drier skin type, you may love this powder a little bit more than me. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. I just feel like because of what the brightening properties it has, it might be geared towards you, which is totally fine. I do want to see how this lasts throughout the day. I will leave an update in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out to see how this powders wore throughout the night. For now, I feel like I give this a good 3 out of 5 stars, just because I really want to see how long it lasts, because I know that this thing will last through a whole thunderstorm and I will still look snatched with this stuff. I love this powder so much. Like, out of all my powders I have, if they were to disappear from my collection, I'll definitely rebuy these. Or like if all my powders were to go, I wouldn't be sad because at least I have these. And I love this so much. I recommend it to everyone that is oily and just wants to control the oils. Even if you're not oily, you will still love this powder. It's that versatile. I just love it so much. This is a very beautiful powder, but I do want to see how it lasts throughout the day. I know that was a very like a thorough review, but you guys saw in action how it looks and how much more brightening it causes on my face. Like, this side of my face looks a lot brighter than this side of my face, which isn't a bad thing, but it's just something I'm not used to. I'm used to not having a lot of pigmentation as these, but I'm not hating it. It looks nice. With that being said, I hope you guys loved this review, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this powder. Will you guys be purchasing it? Let me know in the comment section below. As you know, I love Huda and I'm very excited about this. I do hope it lasts throughout the whole night. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!